Hey guys, Carlos from RealTeaseFishing.com. We got a quick video. We're gonna do this under 3 minutes. Everything you need to know to do your lower unit oil change. Let's do it. Get your recommended lower unit oil, some degreaser, flathead screwdriver. Okay, quickly, this is your vent screw. It's also the oil level. So this is where the height of the oil will be when you're done. This is gonna be your drain screw. Now it won't drain unless you open the top. Some metal shavings. No chunks, just a little bit of debris. That's kind of normal. Okay, important tip. You have your screws and you have your washers. These washers are usually replaceable. If you have the plastic ones, you don't need to replace them. You can put them right back in. If you have the fiber ones, go ahead and replace them. All right, while that's draining, you're gonna need this. This basically screws into the lower unit. This goes into your bottle. For this outboard, you need the adapter. Some outboards, some lower units, this fits straight. This one, you need the adapter. The adapter comes in the kit. We want the oil to fill all this, leak out the top. We're getting some clean oil coming out the top. And now this bottom one, we don't have to be super fast with it. Once we put the vent screw, the fill screw, I mean the oil level screw, the one that's on the top, it's gonna create like a vacuum. So not a lot of fluid loss on the bottom. We still gotta be a little quick because we don't wanna let too much oil come out, but it's not gonna rush out just because this screw is on. Now, if this screw was not on, it would start draining. And the reason why we do this, spray the degreaser, is we want to make sure there's no leaks. So we shouldn't see any oil leaking down the skeg. We shouldn't see any oil leaking out the top. Once we do that, we are done. We are done with our lower unit oil change. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.